Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Sinatra's Classroom Rules. Today we're going to just be going over the classroom rules and regulations and what I expect every student to follow in the classroom. Our first set of rules: always show respect for anyone in the classroom. Treat people the way you want to be treated. I take this rule very seriously because I think everyone should be nice to each other in the classroom and show respect to anyone who walks into the classroom or even outside the classroom. Don't talk while someone else is talking. Always respect that person's time to talk. And always ask questions. It's really good to ask questions, and that's the only way we can all learn together. All students should be on time, in their seat, and ready to go when the bell rings. When the bell rings, I want you guys to come in here ready to learn and have a good day in the classroom. Students will bring all needed materials to class. This can include pencils, notebooks, homework I tell you to bring in, anything. And the next rule is all phones should be silent in the classroom. I know we all like our phones and our electronic devices, so let's try and keep it silent when being in the classroom. And the next rule is follow directions that are given. Always follow any directions that I tell you or any other teacher tells you. Raise your hand if you have any questions or concerns. I like a controlled and positive classroom environment, so I think the best way to do that is to raise your hand if you have to go to the bathroom, use the pass, want to get up out of your seat. Respect others' feelings. We want to respect others' feelings around us, and we want everyone to be happy in this classroom environment. Keep hands, feet, and all other objects to yourself. Our hands are our own hands, and we need to keep them always to ourselves. The last 2 points work together. Put your best effort into everything you do. We want to put our best effort into learning, when we come to learn, and that also connects to the last rule, which is have a positive attitude. We want to have a positive attitude in the classroom, and we want to have a positive attitude towards learning. And those are my classroom rules for this upcoming year.